Good morning and thank you. Thank you, Coach Noemi. And before po tayo mag-proceed sa aking topic, mag-share din po ako ng aking result. Uh, Again, I'm Coach Nida Maranon po. I'm 48 years old from Cabuyao, Laguna. Ginamit ko din po yung program para mag-lose ng weight. And after taking it regularly, consistently, and seriously po talaga, I've lost a total of 20 incredible pounds and 4 inches around my waist. And nawala po yung mga discomforts like dysmenorrhea, constipation, migraine, nawala po yung mga yan. Mas naging energetic po ako actually. And of course, nung naintindihan ko po talaga lalo pa yung value ng healthy breakfast, yung proper nutrition, talagang dinere-diretso ko na po yung paggamit kasi yung products natin is talagang hindi lang siya para mag-lose ng weight po, no? Para po talaga maging healthy tayo. And syempre, dahil maganda yung result ko and para po sa health natin, pinagamit ko din po yung family ko. That's why, kinwalify ko po yung highest discount, yung pong tinatawag nating supervisor, 50%, para po talaga magamit namin ng family na ko ng massively. So, ayun po, sa pag-Herbalife po, hindi lang physical yung, ito po yung pinakamaganda, hindi lang physical yung nababago sa atin, yung mental, spiritual, naayos po talaga yung relationship natin kay Lord. Yun po yung pinakamaganda dito. And yung syempre maganda yung result natin. That's why yung sinishare po natin sa mga friends natin and with this community po talaga pong sana mag-stick po tayo dito sa Herbalife community kasi po talagang life is not perfect po naman talaga so nagkakamali tayo. But with this community, talagang ina-uplift niya tayo and talagang makikita natin na talagang nare-remind tayo na talagang tama naman po talaga yung mga tinuturo sa atin which is yung pong natututunan natin dito, hindi po natin makukuha sa iba or matututunan sa school yung mga yan. And that's why we're very confident naman kasi yung mga trainings po, yung mga doctors na trainings na inaatenan po namin. May mga, nandun po yung mga top doctors. That's why itong magaganap po na extravaganza, I hope maka-attend po ang lahat para po which is dapat po supervisor kayo nun para ma-qualify niyo po yung event na yon. So, ayun po, nandun po yung mga top doctor. So, magiging bigger picture po yon. So, mas magiging confident po kayo sa products, yun sa ating company. So, iba po yung level ng confidence na masishare nyo sa inyong mga uh, friends and of course yung mga clients po ninyo. So that's why I really love Herbalife po. So much for my results. So let's proceed po sa ating topic naman which is talagang kailangan po natin. 5 wellness habits to support your immune system by Marian Garza. Registered dietitian po siya. Member Dietetic Advisory Board and Outer Nutrition Advisory Board. She has been a consultant for Herbalife Nutrition Mexico since 2014. So ito pong article na to makikita nyo po sa iamherbalifenutrition.com. So according to Marian Garza, our human body is a fascinating machine and so are its mechanism and processes. So sabi din po niya, pero may isang pinaka-interesting po sa katawan natin which is yung ating immune system. So, next, thank you Coach Lisa. Kasi alam nito, itong ating immune system. So, ano ba yung immune system natin? The immune system is a complex network of organ cells and proteins that defends the body against infection. At the same time, nagpo-protect siya sa ating body's own cell, so sa ating katawan. So, ang maganda pa dito sa ating immune system, kahit may, pag malakas yung ating immune system, hindi ibig sabihin hindi magkakasakit, no? So, pag may sakit tayo, mas mabilis tayong gumaling. So, amazing, di ba? Kasi yung ating katawan, meron siyang built-in na immune system. So, ang kalagahan talaga ng ating immune system, next, sa ating overall well-being is obvious na kailangan talaga nating pangalagaan ito. Kung ano yung pinapasok natin sa katawan natin and paano natin pangalagaan yung ating mga sarili, lahat yun nagko-contribute sa ating health or para mag-okay yung ating immune system. But remember, yung nutrition doesn't prevent illness but helps maintain a normal, healthy body system. So that's why normal na minsan na pag nagkasakit ka or yung iba mapapansin mo nagkakasipon, nagkakaubo, but normally mabilis silang gumaling, or yung iba nga hindi na naggagamot, gumagaling na sila. It's because nag-work yung kanilang immune system. Ang nutrition din, hindi siya substitute for medical care, pero pag pinagsama mo yung nutrition and medical care, magaganda yung mas magaganda yung magiging health mo, na sure naman tayo doon. So, meron si Marian Garza na 5 personal wellness and nutrition next habits to support your immune system. Napakasimple nito, actually alam naman natin lahat na to. Kaya lang minsan nakakaligtaan lang talaga, di ba? So una, maintain a balanced diet. So when it comes to the relationship ng immune system with nutrition, may mga kailangan tayong dapat isa-isip or dapat tandaan, no? Kailangan we eat food rich in antioxidants, vitamins, mainly yung vitamin A, C, D, and E, minerals, and phytonutrients, which is, ito yung mga fruits and vegetables talaga. So, dapat yun ang kainin natin. So, tandaan nyo yun. Then, nire-recommend din nyo na consume high quality protein, whether from animal or plant source. So, example ito, yung red meat, poultry, fish, lentils, grains, and tofu. Then, sa carbohydrates naman, kailangan yung mga unrefined natural ones. So, natural ones din daw. These good carbs sources include whole grains, beans, fruits, and vegetables, which are the excellent sources of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Again, fruits and vegetables na naman tayo dito. So don't forget the importance yung consuming naman ng beneficial fats such as omega-3 fatty acids. Kasi si omega-3 pala, siya yung nagpapalakas ng positive function ng different na cells na bumubuo sa ating immune system. So yung isa pang source ng ating unsaturated fat na available dito sa Philippines is yung avocado. So, ang good fat din pala may also support brain function. So, try to find ways talaga na i-include daw natin sa pagkain natin itong avocado or yung mga good fats na yan. So, din, yung avocado, pwede nating ihalo talaga sa ano natin, no? Datatry naman natin to. Sa ating mga smoothie or yung ating shake, then pwede nating toast yung avocado, or instead na mayonnaise yung gamitin natin sa salad natin, pwede natin gamitin yung avocado natin. Then number 2, next, wash your hands correctly. Actually, lahat naman naguhugas, kaya lang dapat correctly daw kasi according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, washing your hands can eliminate microorganism, yung mga virus, and nakakatulong to para ma-avoid na mahawa tayo ng mga sakit. So, kailangan magwa-wash tayo ng hands natin 30 to 40 seconds, or yung iba nga sinasabi nila 1 minute. So, napakabilis lang naman nun. So, make sure follow the steps, yung wet, drop, scrub, rinse, and dry. So, yun yung gagawin talaga natin. Hindi yung basta lang makahugas. So, wash your hands, palm, nails, wrist, and even forearms daw, sasama natin. Then after washing ng ating mga kamay, apply hydrating cream and yung mga paraben-free na mga cream products para naman maalagaan natin ang ating skin naman. Then third, next, rest effectively. So ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat na medyo talagang guilty ako. So kindly type sa chat box kung talagang ito din ay hindi nyo nasusunod, which is ito reminder na dapat talaga may adequate and healthy sleep time. Nag-iiba to na makikita nyo naman dyan sa age group natin. So, but adults should aim to get at least 7 hours of sleep per day. So, 7 hours pala talaga. Aging na tayo kasi. Improving your sleep hygiene habits can help you obtain a better quality rest, which will help to restore any metabolic damage. And kaya i-maintain talaga natin yung balance, or may sapat talaga tayong tulog. So, yun namang sleep hygiene habits natin, kailangan pala, halimbawa 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock ka dapat matulog. Kailangan consistent kang matutulog para masana yung system ng katawan natin. Then, make sure your bedroom is quiet, dark, relaxing, and at the comfortable temperature. Talaga, para mas masarap talaga or relax ka talaga, para makatulog ka talaga. Then, remove mo yung electronic devices such as TVs, computers, and smartphones from bedroom. Talagang yung screen time mo talaga, i-stop mo muna talaga yon kasi para makafocus ka talaga o para talaga makatulog ka talaga. So ito pa, avoid large meals, yung caffeine natin and alcohol before bedtime. Kasi pag ganyan, mas ma-alert ka. So mawawalan ka ng focus para makatulog. So, get some exercise. So, kailangan din pala to. So, yun naman mga, pag naayos kasi natin to, actually, yung mga nasa program, lalo yung mga nag-uumpisa, nagagawa nila lahat, nasusunod nila yung meal plan nila, pero hindi masyadong maganda yung result ng paglulus nila. It's because, minsan, pag anong oras ka natulog, medyo late sila natutulog. So, nakaka-affect din to sa paglulus ng weight natin. Itong pag hindi sapat na pagtulog. Then fourth, exercise. Next, Coach Lisa, thank you. Exercise regularly. So talagang kailangan no na naririnig niyo lahat laging kasama ang exercise. Kasi researchers have shown the positive impact exercise on the immune response. So, exercise can improve defense activity and metabolic health. So, ayun, isa pa yung metabolic health natin, yung naaayos pag nag-exercise, no? Dito naman sa VNC, meron tayong 2 times a day na pag-exercise. Actually, 20% lang naman na dapat na nag-exercise tayo, hindi naman todo-todo. Kasi talagang nag-i-improve, pag nag-exercise tayo regularly, nag-i-improve ang ating health, yung ating immune system, and metabolic complications. Sabi na naayos din daw yon. Actually, yung hypertension, dementia, yung may mga, because yung mga metabolic syndrome na naririnig nyo kanina, kung meron kayong isa sa mga yon, pag ginawa nyo to, or ito lang ang hindi nyo nagagawa, itry nyo po. So, mas maganda po yung effect. People who engage in moderate exercise training have lower risk for illness. Yun nga, physical activity may help flush bacteria kasi out of the lungs and airways. This may reduce the chance of getting a cold, flu, or other illnesses. So, ang ganda, di ba? So, yung mga sipunin dyan, so, kailangan mag-exercise. Kulang lang pala tayo ng exercise. Exercise can have an anti-inflammatory impact. So, may mga studies din kasi with exercise, we have a natural way to boost yung body's immune response natin to reduce inflammation. So, exercise like yoga, swimming, and resistance training, ito yung lunges, squat, yung push-up, yung plank, can be a great resource to reduce inflammations sa katawan natin. So, and regular exercise also improves immune regulation even the body ages. So, hindi dapat maging dahilan yon yung pag-i-age natin na sasabihin, matanda na ako kaya ayaw ko mag-exercise. No, kaya tayo dapat mag-exercise lalo kasi nag-i-age na tayo. So, hindi yun dahilan. And regular exercise, ito pa, improves immune, ito pa, sorry po, doing physical activity for at least 30 minutes, 5 times a week is a sound recommendation for adults to maintain a healthy lifestyle. So, yun, wag niyong kalimutan talaga ang exercise na routine natin. Lagi niyo namang naririnig yun. And itong last natin, next Coach Lisa, drink enough water. So, yung katawan nga natin is made up of 70% water, no? So, good hydration is essential para ma-maintain yung balance of minerals and fluids that our immune and respiratory system need to work properly. So, yung water nga, binubuo, sinabi ko na kanina, which is 70%. So, Kaya kailangan lagi tayong hydrated, no? So, it is important talaga na para sa nutrient absorption. So, para mas ma-absorb yung mga tinake natin na nutrients and para ma-flush out din yung mga toxins natin. So, gusto niyo ba yon? Ma-flush out yung mga toxins natin? So, drink enough water talaga. Ito din po problema ko before. Also, yung water natin is a key component pala ng lymphatic fluid which contains specialized white blood cells called lymphocytes that help fight infection. So, napaka-importante po ng water. So, ayan, ayan ang pwede niyong gawin para kung nahihirapan kayong mag-take ng water, start your day with a glass of water, then have a pitcher naman. Halimbawa, nag-work yun sa workplace mo, kung work from home ka or sa office ka, make sure na may isa kang pitcher na make it 1 liter na pitcher ng water para reminder yon na talagang nakaubos ka na or after na makaubos ka, dagdagan mo na siya para nakaka 2 to 3 liters ka a day. Then, kung hirap ka pa rin, set a reminder, nag-alarm kahit sa cellphone yung hydration mo. So, i-set niyo po yung alarm or depende sa inyo kung every 2 hours nagre-remind sa inyo. Then kung hirap ka pa rin uminom kasi plain water, make sure na lalagyan niyo ng lemon or syempre yung ating aloe, napaka best po 'yon. Best po 'yun para sa mga hirap uminom ng water. So lagyan niyo ng tea para siyang iced tea na napakasarap, healthy beverage na yung iti-take natin. So the immune system plays a key role in keeping your body in balance and well or healthy. So taking care of it will go a long way. So make sure talaga na maganda yung ating immune system. So next, we're very lucky kasi dito sa Herbalife, our doctors and scientists natin formulated this 3 steps healthy breakfast. So loaded siya ng nutrients, then hindi ka na nga maghahanap ng mga beverages na wala na loaded ng calories. So ito, healthy option and napakadaling gawin. In just 3 minutes, meron ka ng healthy breakfast. Kaya lang, life is not perfect. Hindi lang naman breakfast yung iti-take mo, kakain ka pa rin. So kung hirap tayo mag-take ng mga fruits and vegetables or i-add talaga yun sa kinakain natin, you go for supplementation. Ito naman po yung ating vitamins and minerals which is, ayan po, makikita nyo naman, maintain strong immune system. So ito po yung ilan lang sa pampalakas ng immune system natin na available na nakasama po dito sa aking slide. Yung vitamin and minerals po natin, this is an additional support na ito po yung antioxidant and anti-stress natin. And also, best ito sa mga taong trying to lose weight and di nila nakakain yung mga nakagawin nilang kinakain. Kaya yung katawan nila under stress, kaya nag-a-adjust pa sila. So, yung mga discomforts, may mga nararamdaman sa discomforts like bloating, headache. So, i-take po nila tong, kaya po nire-recommend namin pagka nag-start ng program, much maganda kung i-add nyo po itong ating vitamins and minerals. Then yung triple berries natin, complex natin, it's made of berries, cranberry, bilberry, and blueberry. These berries protects us from infection in our urinary tract system. Also, it has flavonoids which is very powerful antioxidants para po makatulong para ma-minimize yung damage ng ating free radicals. So, kung lagi tayong nasa labas or exposed tayo sa mga pollution, best to para itong ating triple berry. So, ito naman pong cell complex natin. So, madaming may favorite dito kasi bukod sa pampabata, kasi it contains resveratrol, talagang which is said to be the fountain of youth. So meron din to, ito din po yung tumutulong para ma-absorb talaga yung micronutrients or yung vitamins and minerals po na tinitake natin para madala po talaga sa cells ng katawan natin. Ito yung mga nutrients. Then last, yung probiotic po natin is our gut best friend. Meron itong 1 billion good bacteria. It promotes the growth of friendly bacteria, proper digestion and improves po nito yung nutrient absorption din natin. Nakakatulong din to para maayos talaga yung regular and yung bowel movement or yung pagdumi natin. And talagang nakakatulong to para syempre lumakas po yung immune system natin. So, with that po, yung mga senior po namin, we're very proud next kasi yung ating pong Herbalife is #1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplement combined, and #1 in weight management and well-being, and also we're #1 in active and lifestyle nutrition. So ayan, hindi na kayo maghahanap pa ng iba para ano talaga, para lumakas ang ating immune system. So ayan, back to you Coach Naimi. I hope marami tayong natutunan.
Ayan.